If you want to connect ChatGPT to TripAdvisor, this guide will walk you through the process step by step in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Once you have this set up, you can make your ChatGPT workflow more useful, more connected, and easier to manage when you need TripAdvisor inside your chat experience. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Once the page loads, sign in if needed and make sure you're on your main account. From here, you're going to access the settings area where the app connections are managed. Click on your profile icon, then choose Settings. This is where ChatGPT keeps the options for apps, connectors, and other account preferences. After you open Settings, look for the Apps section and click it. This area is where you can manage supported integrations and connect different services to ChatGPT. Once you're inside the Apps area, you should see an option called Add More. Click on that to open the app directory and search for the integration you want. Now use the search bar and type in the application name. In this case, type TripAdvisor. As you type, the correct app should appear in the results. When you see TripAdvisor in the list, click on it to open the connector page. This is the page where you can review the integration and begin the connection process. Next, click on Connect. ChatGPT may ask you to confirm the connection one more time, so go ahead and click Connect again if prompted. This extra confirmation is normal and helps make sure you really want to link the app to your account. Once the connection is approved, go back and start a new chat. This is important because a fresh chat helps you work with the newly connected app more cleanly. Inside the chat window, click the plus icon to open the tools and app options. This is where you can choose connected apps while you're chatting. Now click on More. Then select TripAdvisor from the available options. At this point, ChatGPT should be connected to TripAdvisor and ready for use inside your workflow. You can now continue chatting and use the integration as needed, and that's it. You've successfully connected ChatGPT to TripAdvisor. If this walkthrough saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.